Hello guys, how are you doing? Welcome to KeikoFlex. So today, let's walk for 10 to 12 minutes with me. So whether you're starting out your exercise or getting back into shape, it's a perfect, quick, simple walk. So are you ready? Let's go. Okay, so we are going to use the arms in and open while you walk. There we go. Get into that walking. Go. In, out, in, open. Nice. Great. Good. Open up the elbows really wide. Squeeze. Squeeze. Don't drop those elbows. Okay, now arm up, 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 up. Straight out. Good. Punch up. Good. Now twist, 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 little twist. You don't have to go over too much. Good. Keep walking. Yes. Knee, knee, knee. Nice. Good. Feel that twist on that ab. Good, great. Good, hands on your hips. Now two knee up, two, two, two. Yes, nice and easy. Lift up high, up, up, up. Nice. Good. Core tight. Stable body. Good. Keep it going. Almost there. Good job. Now adding the punch. Punch, 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 punch. That's right. Stable body. Still. Same body line as before. Good. Stable, stable. Strong punch. Let's go. Burn it. Yes. Good. Keep it going. Come on. Good. Now full walk and 1, 2, 3, 4, knee up, knee up. 1, 2, 3, 4, knee up, knee up. 1, 2, 3, 4, sharp, sharp. 1, 2, 3, 4, up, up. Nice. Keep going. Good. Keep walking. Left, right, left, right, left, right. Yes, just a little diagonal. Your hands together. Swing it down, up and down. Yes. Might be your right and left. but it's my left and right. Here we go. Nice. Good. 3, 2, 1. Not yet. Here we go. Other side. And down. Up and down. Up and down. Yes. Good. Throw it. Good job. Keep walking. Sharp. Almost there. Here we go. Last bit. Here we go. Now curl it. Okay, so your fist going to your abs. Pull. 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 Yes. Good job. Side to side a little bit here. Keep moving. You're doing great. Good. Now wide stance. Just keep walking right here. Bend your knees a little bit. Use your arms to swing. Good, good, good. Doing so well. Come on. Go back to walking. Now high knee, tap your shoulders. Knee, up. Up. Really high. Come on. Yes. Keep stepping. Elbows up. Good. Front kick. Here we go. Front kick, kick, kick. Use that heel to kick right in front. Front, front, front. Good. Right in front. Yes. Door kick. Keep kicking. Strong kick, strong kick. With the heel, 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 heel. Good, now hip roll. Here we go. Roll, walk, walk, roll, walk, walk. Really big roll. Open up. Walk, walk, open, walk, walk. Back to walk. Elbows in, elbows in, elbows in, open, elbows in. Yes, keep walking, keep stepping, really nice and strong. Yes. Squeeze those elbows in, open, yes, burns it. Nice, feels good. Let's go. Okay, hands on the hips, fast, 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 fast walk. Fast. Walk. Fast. Walk. Good. Keep going. Walk. Out, 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 walk. Good job. Keep going. Now faster. Right here. Use your arms. That's right. Really fast step. Sharp. Keep going. Keep pushing. Keep stepping. Yes. Good job. Come on. Yes, good. As fast as you can. But don't push it too hard. Yes. Good, now we're going to use the arms all the way around. Yes. Feel that core stretching each time. Good, 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 good. Breathing in out. Good, close your feet together, still walking. Forward, straight. Forward, straight. This is your last one. Straight back, straight back. Use that core, come back up. Great job. Thank you so much. Have a great day. How was it, guys? Thank you so much for visiting KeikoFlex. My name is Keiko. I post beginner-friendly workouts every week. So if you want a quick but effective beginner workout, come back to me and work out with me. Thank you so much. See you later.